The reason why that looks like topsoil, it's because it is. When they tried to raise the backyard, they hauled in 30 yards of topsoil. It didn't dry up the yard. And it usually don't. You have to pipe it out. That's the only way. If you have water, if you have a low spot, if you have a collection area, run a French drain. The water tells you everything you need to know. Where the water is left to lie. If you got little potholes in your yard, don't fill them in. Now this had a swale that went down this way, and then there's a swale in the back that went down that way. Because all this water came off this pool deck, they just kept raising this. Actually, it just makes it worse. Now you're getting rid of the swale so you don't have the water in a high concentration in one area. Now you scattered it all over the yard. The yard just goes from bad to worse. There's only one way to dry up a yard. And if you're watching this video, it's because you're looking to do just that. You want to dry up your yard, you want to do it the right way the first time. Beautiful. Nice trench, man. Nice deep trench. All right, so Marcelo finished coring the storm drain catch basin. This is a piece of Schedule 40 4-inch with one of our PVC to corrugated pipe couplers. He's going to put this through that wall. Let me show you. This one had like 10 inches, 10, 11 inches. So he's going to put this in here, and then he's going to use hydraulic concrete to seal it around it, because that's what the DPW wants us to do. Right here, guys. It's good stuff.